Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video here at MT Paradise. So you guys might notice the video quality is quite a bit better. So I actually have a brand new camera, and also the lighting in my garage is significantly better because I pretty much installed a ton of, they're kind of like fluorescent lights, but they're all LEDs. But overall it's about 88,000 lumens. Plus I have like a little central light that has a bunch of LEDs on it. So this garage is super bright. It's almost like a studio. But yeah, we're actually here in my garage. We're going to be doing a crazy race livery on a C5 Corvette, which is going to look awesome. So definitely stay tuned for the whole video so you can see what that looks like in the end. But right now you got my Porsche in the background, and then we got Cameron's Porsche right there. There's Cameron and Dom. We're about to actually get started on Dom's C5. We actually have one of my roommates' C5 sitting out there. So we got two Porsches, two C5s, and it's just like a pretty awesome setup right now. But they're about to get this thing cleaned up and then have it all prepped, ready to go, paint correction, and then we're gonna start wrapping it. Alright guys, so right now I actually need to go get a couple of decals for the race livery, which we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get back to you guys with that. Alright guys, so Dom got this pretty epic wing for his car, and I think it looks like incredible. Like this thing, the weave on the carbon fiber is something I've never seen before, but you guys definitely have to see this. Alright, so this is about the placement of where the wing is going to go. It still needs the end plates on the end and then obviously the uprights. But it kind of gives you a little bit of an idea. But even like the curvature of this wing is actually really nice. And a few minutes ago we held it up against my car, and it's about like, was like a half inch to an inch shorter on either side. And this is a giant wing. But yeah, like let's check out this comparison real quick, because that's actually pretty similar in size. And
yeah, we put the end plates on it too.
And then especially like with that carbon fiber weave, like that would look so cool in the back. And then maybe like blue Porsche text going across, and then neon yellow end plates. Like that would be so awesome. Like, again, like look at that weave and how incredible that is.
Good night guys. This is my body pillow.
Like look at the size of that wing. Like that is insane.
I am 6 foot exactly, and
it's almost 6 foot. Like it's on a shoe there, but like that is awesome.
This is what do you say, 57, 56?
It's 69,
oh.
And then the car is 73, so it's a little shorter.
69-inch wing. Can we put that on the side? Or right here, 69.
69.
Alright guys, so in order to pretty much have a really good wrap, doing a paint correction beforehand can make the whole car look incredible. So as you see, this car looks amazing with like the nice shiny blue. So then once we put the vinyl on top of it, it's just gonna make it just pop even more, and all the blues are gonna look so good, especially with that nice clean shine. Woo! Alright, so just turn off most of the lights, and in this darker lighting it actually looks really good. The way the little bit of light reflects off of some of the panels, it's like this nice beautiful blue with like the darker transition, or with a darker contrast. And it really puts a lot of emphasis on the shape of the hood. That's kind of like raised up, and then it has like the little indentation going right down the middle. That looks really nice. Like I actually like this color a lot more than I realized. All right, guys, so this next morning we already started getting the car prepped a little bit more, and like this garage lighting, like already it's like so bright in here. But yeah, we're already starting on getting the measurements for the stripes, and then just kind of going over the final touches of getting it like cleaned up a little bit, because we have to go over it with isopropyl alcohol and get everything prepped and whatnot. But right here we're gonna have stripes. These are like the center point, and then each side of the stripe. It's gonna go down the middle, and then obviously across the top, down the back. And then we're also gonna be doing a little bit of work on the side trims. So Cameron's over here getting that all prepped up, ready to go. And then Dom's working on this side. So this thing is going to be insane, but this blue is just beautiful. Like, I just love this. And with the color combo, this blue, and already you can kind of see the roll of vinyl sitting right here. Alright, so I don't know if it's coming up on camera as well, but I just absolutely love this blue. Like, I can't put enough emphasis on how good this looks. It's so nice. And then especially with this orange, like that color contrast looks amazing. Alright guys, so we got a decent amount done on the Corvette. So right now I'm going to give you a little update, a little montage, and then I'll catch back up to you whenever we get a lot more done. Alright guys, so it's been a little while since I got back to you, but we've made quite a bit of progress on the car. It's a little bit later than expected, but this thing is looking insane. So let's go ahead and check out the progress. We still have a little bit to do, but yeah, let's go ahead and see what we have now. Alright guys, so we got a lot of the main work done on the car. All the orange is pretty much all on. It's looking awesome. We got this orange going down the side, we got on the back. We got the orange lettering, which looks incredible. But right now we're actually getting the gumballs put on. We're going to be having the race numbers and then also the Golf logos. So those are going to be going on very soon. So right here we're going to get up in Cameron's face as he's working on putting these numbers on, which look incredible. And this thing's gonna look like an actual race car. And then still have the giant wing to go on with this incredible carbon fiber weave. Just look at that. Alright guys, so when it comes to the vinyl work, it is completely done. All we have to do is put the giant wing on the back, which we've already got that process started, but here's what the wrap looks like. All right, guys, so here it is, pretty late, but the wing is on and the car is complete and it looks insane. So if you guys like this car, definitely put down in the comments below what you think about it. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a little walk around of the whole thing. All right, so here's Dom. So he's the owner of this beautiful Corvette. So what do you think about it? Like, do you love it? Is it like everything you expected?
Yeah, bro, it's freaking sick. It looks exactly like the render we made on Forza, and it's freaking like from game to real life, you know? It's freaking sick. It looks like my old school race cars that I used to play with as a kid.
And then you picked out this incredible carbon fiber wing with this really cool weave. Like, this is interesting. Like, were you like seeking something unique, or is it just kind of like you saw it and just knew you had and you knew you had to have it?
Happy accident. Very happy accident.
Well, I think it looks really good.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, so if you guys like this wrap job, definitely go down, put in the comments below what you guys think. Hit that like button if you think this looks awesome, because I think it looks incredible. Like, just that Golf livery and that giant wing gives it that really awesome race car look, especially since my car has a crazy race look and Cameron's car with his Golf livery and his Cayman. But yeah, definitely, if you guys like this video, hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and other crazy race car content, because there definitely will be more in the future. But as always, thank you for watching.